Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, is brought to you by Magic Creeper, the most versatile creeper ever. Custom Auto Sound, the originator of classic car OEM fit radio since 1977. Jab Jumper, there's a big world out there. Jab Jumper will get you home. Baxter Performance Oil System Solutions, providing faster oil delivery to your engine. And by R3 Industrial Cleaning Systems. Don't hesitate. Remediate.
Tribotex comes in lots of shapes and sizes, and Pasha, there's a lot of different varieties. So break this down for me. Which Tribotex do I need for my vehicle?
Most users of passenger cars would go with the original. This is our formula that we started with, and it covers most of the market. When you drive a semi or 18-wheeler, then semi edition or big rig edition is the best fit for you. They usually have about 10 times as much of an oil, and because you have more material and engine design better, it lasts dramatically more than original in those applications. On the other side, there's all kind of the household equipment that is suitable for smaller applications. Mini, perfect for the riding lawnmower. Many people who not ready to try some new technology in full-size car, they look at small applications like a chainsaw or the riding lawnmower.
I know a lot of folks that are real hesitant to put, most folks are real hesitant to put something in their vehicle that they haven't tried before, and that's how they ease into it with Tribotex.
Yes, specifically after a winter, lawnmower that's been stored for whole winter are smoky, sluggish. They replace oil, and this is the perfect time to apply it because you will immediately notice reduction of the oil consumption, slight boost in the power, and engine just generally runs smoother, and it's safe for all applications.
What do you hear from folks that end up doing that? They put that in their weed eater or their lawnmower or something like that. What do you hear from those guys?
We love to see returning customers, and that's what drives our repeat sales. For us, the business is not selling you stuff for every oil change. For us, business is keeping your vehicle alive.
If you've got an engine, big or small, Tribotex can help them all. See what I did there? Check them out at tribotex.com. See what Tribotex can do for you.
Time now for the lowdown with Magic Creeper.
Hey racers at every level, from the pros down to the sportsmen, the grassroots folks. If you're doing autocross, you need a Magic Creeper. And you know why. You get to the racetrack and you're probably pitted in the grass or on the pavement someplace. Horrible getting under the vehicle if it's been raining. Of course, it's going to be wet and gross if you're out in the grass. And of course, you know a regular creeper isn't going to fit the bill there. It's not going to be able to roll across bumpy pavement. It's certainly not going to be able to roll across grass wherever they put you. You know, in Seattle, when you're drag racing there, they put you under the trees. You've got tree roots to contend with. Not a chance for a traditional creeper with wheels on it. But the Magic Creeper can tackle all of that. Put the Magic Creeper down. You stay on top of it. The Magic Creeper is going to get wet and sloppy. You are going to stay dry as you glide across the ground. And talk about gliding across the ground. You can go across tree roots. If you drop a tool, you can go right over that. If there's any kind of debris, any kind of mud, glide right over it, and the Magic Creeper, you won't even notice that you're rolling across the top of it. Magic Creeper also requires zero ground clearance. Of course, you got projects like this, you may not be able to get your vehicle up as far, but it's always nice to have a little extra room under the vehicle. A traditional creeper is going to have maybe 4 inches or so with the casters and everything, so you'll be up close to the car. This way, with the Magic Creeper, you have plenty of room to work underneath. Oh, by the way, when you're working on your air pressures, working your way around the car, just use the Magic Creeper as a kneeling pad. It's going to save your knees, and over the course of a racing weekend, you're going to really appreciate what it can do for you. And throw a Magic Creeper in your tow vehicle as well, because you never know when you're going to run into trouble on the side of the road. You can only find the Magic Creeper at magiccreeper.com. There is only one authentic Magic Creeper. Go get one. And oh, by the way, that is going to do it for this episode of Motorhead Garage. We are sure glad you came along with us. We're going to do it again next week, and we hope you join us then, too. From our entire crew here at our Masters Entertainment Group studios, we'll see you next time on Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. So long.